The best way to animate an AI character is finally here. Today, we're showing you why DreamActor M2 by ByteDance is the best AI model out there, and why Promptus is the only place you need to be to start using it. If you've been working with AI video lately, you know the struggle. You write a perfect prompt, but you just can't get the character to move exactly how you want. It's frustrating. Now, most of us have been looking at Kling 2.6 motion control to solve this. It's a solid model, but it has some pretty big limitations, especially when you're trying to do more than one character, or honestly, if you're trying to keep your budget under control. I've been doing some tests, and honestly, we might have the best new AI video model for motion control right here. Let's hop in and see why. To use DreamActor M2, it's a simple two-step process. You bring in your character image. Here's a stylized robot I generated. And then you drop in your reference video. Now here's where it gets interesting. With Kling, you're often stuck with one person. But look at this test. If you've been trying to animate characters and get that weird floppy AI look, those days are over. I know you're thinking, another video model, but this is different. We're talking about SOTA, which is state-of-the-art precision. Traditional models struggle with identity leak. That's where your character faces start morphing into somebody else the moment they start to move. DreamActor M2 uses what's called Spatial Temporal in Context Learning. So it treats the motion like a visual context. What that means is that it preserves every tiny detail of your original image while hitting really complex movements perfectly. It doesn't just do humans. It can tackle 2D sketches like 3D, Pixar or Disney-style characters, and even animals. So how do you use it? It's incredibly easy to use. Here's a 3-step workflow on Promptus. You can use a reference image, so that would be your character image. It can be a photograph, so a drawing or a CG render. Then you pick your driving video. This is the motion you want to steal. So let's say you want to use a character that has a specific dance or a complex facial expression. Just upload a clip of a human doing it and hit generate. The model uses a 2-stage process where it first maps the skeleton and then it fills the high-fidelity RGB details of the video. How do you get the best results? It starts with your input. Match your proportions. If your character is tall, your actor should be too. Keep your footage clear. Clear. Lighting matters. And try to avoid blurry movements. High definition input equals high definition output. The model can only see what you show it, so give it quality and it will give you back magic. Let's get real about the cost. I did the math so you don't have to. Kling 2.6 is a great model, don't get me wrong, but it can be up to 2 times more expensive for the same motion control tasks. With DreamActor, you're getting superior character preservation and exclusive multi-character features at a fraction of the cost. We've tested this across every frame to ensure it holds up for professional use. Face close-ups, both with and without hands in frame, half body close-ups, medium shots of the whole body. The facial fidelity is a massive leap forward. Comparing the original version of this M2 version, the improvement of the original pose and preservation is night and day. DreamActor M2. You can find it over at Promptus.ai. That's Promptus.ai.